Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag SQL Server DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to enable and disable login in SQL Server. We will be using two ways in SQL Server, using SQL Server Management Studio Graphical User Interface GUI version, and second is using T-SQL script. Let me open SQL Server Management Studio, connect your instance. So instance database is connected. There is a list of the databases I have, and go to the security, and right here there is a logins. So go to the logins, expand the login. There is a logins are there. Go to any of the logins you want to enable or disable the logins. Go to the Chirag. I'm going there. Right click on the your login name. Go to the properties. Here there is a in left panel there is a status. Click on status. So there is a grant and deny, and there is a login enable or disable. We can do with this, just click on the deny and click on the disable and click on OK. You can able to see there is a small red arrow, down arrow. It means that your login is disable. Now let me check my login is disable or not. Go to the properties again, go to the status. Yeah, login is disable. Next, how to enable the logins. So right click on your login user, then click here, go to the status, grant and enable. Now your user is enabled. Second is using T-SQL script. I have a T-SQL script for the enable, disable the login and enable the login. So let me check with the disable login. Go there, open a new query window. So disable login, use master, go deny connect SQL to Chirag. There is a name should be equal to your login name. Add alter login Chirag disable. Let me run this query, execute. Command successfully completed. Let me check status. Yeah, deny and disable. Next is how to enable with the T-SQL script. There is a script I have. Copy the script. The script will be available with our website. Let me open that. This is a enable login code. Use master, go grant connect SQL to Chirag, go alter, and let me run this one. Command successfully completed. Go to the right click on your user, go to the properties, go to the status. This is a grant and there is enable. So right here we did with the, in this video we learn how to enable or disable login in SQL Server. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.